Good morning, you guys. Anyways, I'm up getting ready to go to work. Lauren is up. She just had breakfast. I know. I wanted to show you guys Lauren's outfit of the day, okay? So check it out. So everybody, look. So she had the doggy shirt, hashtag smart. And then she has a doggy legging. Show everybody your legging. Come here. Stand up. Since she loves her puppies, her chihuahuas, I got her chihuahua leggings. Is it cute, Mia? She's probably gonna be a dog girl in the future since she loves dogs. Oh, are you doing doggy? So I am off to work right now. If you guys can see behind me, it's raining. But guess what, guys? When is it not ever raining in Portland or the Pacific Northwest? So anyhow, I'm going to work. Last client before I go on vacation, and I think I might go buy my niece a Christmas gift afterwards. If my sister doesn't bring my other sister to come get her lashes done, then I'll probably go buy a Christmas gift and then pick up my sister and then go do her lashes. Other than that, I'm really annoyed with all this acne on my face right now. It's like, I would just love clear face in my life. Like, really, do I have to have acne? And my dark circles have gotten bad throughout the years. And anyways, enough of the rant. Gotta start driving. Heading to the salon with this skank. Okay, guys, so this is what I am doing. I'm doing my sister's little short ugly lashes. We are going to put some extensions on them. This is what I do for work, guys. Wax her brows and give her lashes. Face all red. Close your eyes so we can see lashes for days. Close your eyes. Oh my god, I can't even see. Oh yeah, lashes on fleek.
And one eyebrow on fleek.
Oh my gosh. Wee-wee! Hi, Wee-wee! How are you doing today? Huh?
Jaluka? Haha.
Can you calm down, Landa? Hello. We are back from doing her lashes. Lauren is going to open her Christmas gifts from her Auntie Shasha.
Open this one first.
And Uncle Sure and Wee Wee. Show Mommy, Mia.
Everybody, right here.
Rip it. You have to rip it.
Hurry now, your life depends on it.
Open it. Bigger, like bigger. Muscle. Muscle. Big muscle. Hurry. Just take her time. She doesn't want it. Little piece by little piece.
She does not like to open presents. Open bigger.
Oh.
What is it, Wee Wee? What is it?
What is it, I?
She don't care about that shit.
Oh my goodness. I want to see clothes. Show us clothes.
Show her
Show
your
my
clothes
clothes
first. She'd rather play with the toy.
We're going to take that to Callie.
Yeah.
What is
She
that?
likes
So that
this.
she could play in the car.
Oh
Yeah.
my goodness.
Show Mommy what Auntie Shasha got
Daddy,
you.
it's a drawing
Show Mommy.
pad.
Show mommy.
Show mommy. Show mommy like this. Say, mommy, it's a drawing.
What do you say to Auntie Sasha, Uncle Sure?
And wee wee.
Go kiss Auntie.
What do you
Sha-
say?
Uncle Auntie.
Mwah.
Kiss
Love
Uncle Sure
you.
too.
Say Merry Christmas.
Love you, Uncle Sure. Say love you,
What
Uncle.
about your other stuff? You forgot your
forgot
other
all
stuff.
the other
Oh,
stuff.
Okay, let me hold this and you go
Hurry,
grab your
open,
other
open
stuff. Show
again.
your other
Well,
stuff.
show everybody what I got you. Open it. Say, ooh, look, mama.
Not the bag.
Aww.
Not the wrapper.
Lila, you can bring that to California.
Oh, and I got Elohim when we all matching sweaters.
How cute. You little unicorns.
Yeah, very
What
good.
is it?
She's not very good at being surprised.
What is it, Night?
She's like, oh, all the things I don't want.
What is it, Mia?
A rose gold boots.
Oh my gosh,
wearing
Mia,
that
that's so
outfit,
cute.
I'm gonna wear
this
that to New
outfit.
Year's, yeah. 我叫羅文查吧，我嗰陣到機盤機啊。
Good job, Lauren.
I bet you Wendy's gonna get married before Lauren.
Well, at the rate
How?
when Reed's going, if she's as horny as her parents, I'm just kidding.
Lauren's gonna be.
Oh, Mia, show mommy.
Come wear your shoe, come on.
Oh, so pretty.
That's why Shir's dad said if other people saw you, then they would sue you.
Where did they go? When did you guys go?
Yeah, I'm not really. Hey. All right, no more for you. No. Yeah. Hey. No, I'll feed you.
We are heading to bed. Hi, baby. We're gonna be going to California. Not tomorrow, but on Christmas. So I'm doing some last minute packing. Actually, no, it's not last minute. Well, yeah, it's last minute, but I just barely started packing. Tomorrow we have a lot of things to do, and then we have to rest up tomorrow and then leave early in the morning on Christmas Day. So, yeah. And my crazy child. Me, I say goodnight.
Good night.
Say see you guys tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Anyways, good night, guys.